Global Widget is one of the fastest growing and most vertically integrated gummy manufacturing companies in the United States. Inside our more than 100,000 square feet of facility space in sunny Tampa, Florida, we have the capacity to create over 1 million gummies every single day. Manufacturing 1 million gummies a day starts with our multiple operational lines. We can produce at scale and run 24/7 with redundancies to ensure our partners will never experience supply interruptions. We start from scratch, handcrafting our own formulas and delicious flavors, and fully infuse our gummies on site with our commercial scale equipment. We're manufacturing, cooking, and creating gummies here every single day. We also feature full in-house formulations teams for custom runs. Want to roll out a new flavor or a different potency? Our team has the flexibility to handle it quickly and professionally. Our vertically integrated manufacturing capabilities can help you adjust with the market, scale up as demand increases, and maximize your business. We have what it takes to support your growth. Most importantly, we have an in-house compliance and quality testing lab to give us full control over the quality, potency, taste, and safety of our gummies. It's all about consistency, and we ensure that every gummy is guaranteed to have the potency, flavor, and quality that you and your customers demand. In fact, we've earned certification for current good manufacturing processes through the Code of Federal Regulation, and coming in Q1 of 2021, we will be certified with the USDA for organic and kosher as well. With our state-of-the-art technology and in-house experts, we deliver the industry's top gummies and other wellness products and the best experience for our business partners, wholesalers, retailers, and consumers. At Global Widget, we're your trusted partner.